Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe to Zoho CRM Plus, beginner guide step by step clearly. To begin, open your preferred web browser. Navigate to the Zoho CRM official website. Look for the sign up or free trial button on the homepage. Click that button to proceed. You will be directed to a registration form. Fill in your first name and last name in the designated fields. Next, enter your business email address. Create and confirm a strong password for your account. Select your country from the drop-down menu. Once you have filled in all the required information, click the Sign Up button. You may receive an email verification link. Check your email inbox for this verification email. Open the email and click on the provided verification link. After verifying your account, return to the Zoho CRM website. Log in with your newly created email and password. You will now see an option for Zoho CRM Plus on the dashboard. Click on the Try Now or Get Started button for Zoho CRM Plus. Review the features and pricing information presented on the next screen. If you're satisfied, click the Purchase button. Choose your payment plan according to your business needs. Enter your billing information as required. Finally, once all steps are completed, confirm your subscription. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.